In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove password from PDF in Sejda. Now, the first thing you can do, you want to go to All Tools up top and click on Unlock. You could do this on the website or inside the desktop app as well. It's pretty much the same thing. So I'm going to go here, Unlock. You want to select your locked PDF like this. I'm going to select this one, which I know has a password. I'm going to click on Open, and I'm going to enter in my password. There we go. I'm going to click on Continue, and then it may ask you again, and if it does, type it in again, but sometimes it's going to say incorrect password. Now, don't mind that. Just press the X key up top, and then do decrypt PDF here, and then you can save it again just like this. I'm just going to do no password over here. I'm going to save it to downloads. I'm going to select output file. There we go, my task is going to start processing, and I'll be able to basically download that whenever it's done, and you'll be able to see that your document doesn't have a password anymore. So as you can see, this is now my document over here, and it doesn't have a password. It's not asking for one either. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.